How to fix TikTok account not found problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of TikTok application. If there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and then get the latest version of TikTok. After that, go to TikTok. Go to Profile, go to the menu bar, go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Report a problem. Go to Report, go to How to Report. Go back. Then go to Support, go to Help Center. Then, after a form appears, you just have to fill out that form, and also you can put some screenshots and send it. The rest is on the TikTok's Help Center. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.